Hi guys, radio control cars. I've got 3 here that I need to have a look at. That one's still toy grade and the steering stopped working last time it was out. That's the one that I modified to hobby grade steering and receiver, but it's still got the original motors in it. And last time I took that one out, the rear motor died. And then that one, I converted that to hobby grade steering and ESC and servo, servo for the steering and receiver. And last time that one was out, it started making some pretty horrible noises from the gearbox. So I think that one, there's either a tooth missing on a gear or the gears have slipped out of alignment. So I'm not sure which to look at first. I think I'll look at the green one first, the Devil's Monster Rock Crawler, because I'm hoping all we need to do there is replace the brushes on the existing motor. And I've been going through me bits and pieces, not that you can see very clearly on the mess there, but I've got a slot car motor there, and that one has got proper brushes rather than just the brass leaves. It's got proper brushes on it, so I think I might try and swap the end section of that one for the end section of the motor in that one, and that'll just swap the brushes straight over then. So I think that'll be plan A. Right, we've taken this one apart quite a few times, but I suppose there might be people who haven't watched all my videos, so we'll do it again. This is the back end, that's the front end. So, what's the minimum number of bits I have to take apart? Looks like all of this. I put the light off to the right hand side hoping that would help, but because my hand puts a shadow on it, doesn't it? Sorry about that. Right, there's one buried in there. Okay, looks like they're all the same size anyway. Being awkward. Have I got one more screw somewhere that's hidden? I don't think I need to undo them. I will. Sounds like it's time for a cup of tea. Is that right, Nanny?
Yeah, do you want tea or coffee?
A cup of tea for me, please. No, there's no screw hidden under there. So why isn't it coming apart? I'll take the wheels off just so we've got a bit more visibility of what's going on. probably going to spring apart in a minute, isn't it? Another screw there, missed that one. I have taken this apart lots of times, but I am forgetful. Right, so there we are, just a straightforward gearbox. So that gear there, pinion gear, drives that one. Just checking. These are very close. I'll say that again, I was wrong. That pinion gear there drives that one. Then the inside of that one drives that one, and then that one drives that one. So small, big, small in there, big, small there, big. So reduce three times. I'd have to count the teeth to work out exactly what the reduction is. I'm not going to do that. There's my cup of tea already. Thank you, Nanny. Anyway, what we really want is the motor. Because that stopped working. I've just realised I haven't actually put a battery on there to check it's the motor that's died and not just the wires that come loose. Where's the battery? Had one here a minute ago. Right, do be careful if you're doing something like this. If you actually touch the wires together, you're going to short the battery out straight away, which is not a good idea. Right, let's just try. Because the wires are straight through to the front motor and the back motor are straight in parallel. Although that does tell me straight away that the wires are in good condition going all the way through. I just lift it up so it doesn't shoot off. Am I getting off screen? Yeah, alright. Yeah, that's not moving. So I'm pretty sure it's going to be the brushes in there. Just disconnect that before I accidentally short it out. Not that I've ever done anything like that before, of course. Alright, I want something to get the case off the end. Short one of them. There. Right, now what we can do, oh yes, so we can see that our brushes have disappeared. And what we want to do is replace them with the brushes that are in this one. Which we should be able to just pop off So we might use the whole end piece. Oh, they've both got brass bearings in them. So I should be able to just push those brushes out. Some little plastic mounting. There, so we've got nice proper brushes on there. They go in there like that. So we've replaced the brushes. Need to do some soldering, desolder them, solder that one on. Yeah, I'll get the soldering iron out. I'm just going to redo this. I was trying my new solder that I bought the other day off eBay, and it just doesn't seem to flow. I've had to go back to my old solder. Oh, that's so much different. That new stuff is just horrible. Right. So that should be the right way round. Last time I did it, I managed to reverse the wires. So it tucks in there. Yeah, that should be the right way up. Oh, battery's just going to run out on the camera. Right, is that going to stay in place? Okay. Right, I'll just put a battery in there so we can actually check I got it going the right way. Right, battery in place. What we want to see is that the wheels turn in the same direction, front and back. Yeah, that looks okay. And that tyre is right off its rim. Okay, we'll sort that out later. Right, I can put the screws back in. Right, back together. So, forwards, backwards, right, left. Okay, so we fixed that one. A couple more to go. I will say, somebody advised me, and I apologise, I've forgotten who it was, advised me a long time ago to do that swap with the brushes, to put decent carbon brushes on there, or whatever they are, rather than leaving the little brass strips. So we've finally done it now for the back motor. The front motor is still ordinary brass brushes. But I'll have a look through my bits and pieces, see if I can find another one that I can take apart. He did suggest some I could buy on eBay and do exactly the same. Just buy them cheap and pinch the brushes out of them. So, apologies, forgotten who you were, but I finally did what you said. Thanks for watching. If you like that, then you might like this. And if you like this and that, you might like to subscribe over there.